Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Windows Update settings not loading issue. In most cases, these inconsistencies caused by corrupted system files, misconfigured or disabled Windows Update service, network-related issues, and conflict with other software. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to check Windows Update and other services. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard and pop up this run. So here in box, then we need to type this command keyword services.msc. So just type this command keyword services.msc and then that is one word and then click OK. And once you open up the services and services local and on right side, and then we need to find and locate this background intelligent transfer service. So you scroll down and then find this background intelligent transfer service. So all you have to do is to select and then right click. And then if it is already running the service, then you need to select restart. But if not, then you go ahead and open properties. So since this service is not running, so all you have to do is to double click. And then here at general properties, startup type. And then you need to click this arrow and select automatic. And then here at service status and then click start and wait to complete start process. And then click apply and then click OK. Alright, and the next keyword that we need to modify is the cryptographic service. So scroll down again and then find and locate this cryptographic service. So all you have to do is to select and then right click and then same procedure, check if this service is running or not. So since this service is already running and then you need to select restart and wait to complete the restart process. And then after that, and the next keyword that we need to modify is the Windows Update. So scroll down, Windows Update service. So all you have to do is to select and then right click and then check if the service is running or not. So since this service is already running, so all you have to do is to select restart and wait to complete the restart process. And then after that, and then we need to close the services. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to run the Windows Update troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And then here at search for apps, and then you need to type troubleshoot settings and then click open. And once you open up this Windows troubleshoot settings, and the next step, then you need to select other troubleshooters and then click. And here again at other troubleshooters, and then you need to select Windows Update. And on right side, then you can see here this run and then click. And pop-ups this Windows Update detecting problems. So we will wait to complete the initializings and the diagnostic process. And troubleshooting has completed and this is the result. So problems found that the Windows Update issues and the other one service registration is missing or corrupt. So it's already a fix. So if the other issues is not yet fixed, then click yes, but if not, click no. And you can also view the detailed informations here. And also you need to follow the screen's instructions to fix this error. So once you're done here at Windows Update troubleshooters, and then we need to close. And then here at start menu, and then we need to restart. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix Windows Update settings won't load issues. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.